Resistance bands, improved edition set, exercise bands, workout bands, stretch bands, loop kit for legs, butt, glutes, yoga, CrossFit, fitness, physical therapy, home equipment, training for women, men. Fit loop resistance bands are made use of by guys and females of all physical fitness levels. A loop resistance band raises the performance of your workouts tremendously. Our loop resistance bands are easy to lug, and also you can train almost everywhere at any kind of time you desire. 5 Premium Quality Loop Resistance band. 5 Premium Quality Loop Resistance Bands. This collection contains 5 loop resistance bands of 12 by 2. For each exercise you can choose one of our 5 color-coded bands for various stretch levels: extra light, light, medium, heavy and extra heavy. The loop resistance bands are constructed from premium as well as eco-pleasant latex, which is sturdy, flexible and also has a terrific feel. They are built to last. Outstanding full-body workout. Together with the loop resistance band set, you will certainly receive an ebook. Tone your body, lose weight, obtain results, remain fit and achieve the health and fitness objective that you are aiming for. Used for workout and also physical therapy, loop resistance bands are often made use of as an alternative or supplement to yoga, highlights, stretching exercises, CrossFit, fitness, Insanity, Zumba, P90X or other training programs. Yet it is also made use of a great deal for physical therapy, recovery or to boost mobility. It is made use of for upper legs, leg and knee injuries, postnatal recovery or rehabilitation. Insonder is here for you. Insonder weightless items. If you have any type of concerns about our products, please ask in the customer questions and also answer area. Insonder assurances you will certainly be satisfied with the item. For more details, please read the item description page. Check out special offer and also product promotions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.